Hi there, I'm Abigail from Abby's Trust Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how I make monkey bread. Come on, let me show you. Alright, so today, for my monkey bread video, I have a special guest here to help me.
My name is Jenny. I'm Abby's sister, and also I am.
Can you help me with monkey bread?
I'm gonna help Abby, my sister, big sister, make monkey bread.
You excited?
Yes.
Alright, come on, help me.
I wanna clean up.
Shh. Okay, so we have, for the monkey bread, we have some biscuit dough, we have some butter, we have some light brown sugar, we have some cooking spray, we have some cinnamon and sugar, which I just took some white granulated sugar and some cinnamon, and I mixed it together in this container so I can shake up these biscuits. For the equipment, you're going to need a knife, a cutting board, some aluminum foil, you're going to need a pan, and you're also going to need a monkey bread tin or a bundt pan. You can use any pan you want for the monkey bread. First step for making the monkey bread, you're going to take your biscuit dough, you're going to open it up. Throw down the trash for me, little helper. Right there. Thank you. Then you're going to pop it right here. Hey. Yeah, it always scares me. You're going to take out your biscuits like this. And then, since these are big biscuits, take that please. You're going to cut them into quarters. Just like this. So now we have all our biscuits cut up, and my little helper got tired and decided to go inside and watch cartoons, so the rest of the video I'm probably just going to do by myself. So now that we have our biscuits all cut up into quarters, you're going to take some of this biscuits, probably like 4 at a time, probably good. You're going to take it, and you're going to shake it. Then once you got it all coated, you're going to take your biscuit pan, and you're going to need to spray it, or you could coat it with some butter. I'm just going to use the spray to make it easier. Take your spray, and you put your biscuits in that you've coated. Now I'm going to coat the rest of them. Alright, so now that I got all the biscuits coated, they should be about half or 3/4 of the way up to your bundt mold, or whatever you're using to mold your cake. Now it's time to show you how to make the sauce. So you're going to need your butter and your light brown sugar for the sauce. So first, you come over to the stove, turn it on. Alright, so for the sauce, you're going to need your light brown sugar and butter. For the mini bundt, I'm about to use around 5 tablespoons of butter and about 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. So you're going to come over to the stove, you're going to pour in your butter. The butter is about room temperature. And then you take your light brown sugar, pour it in. That should be good. And then you just mix it up until it's all nice and like a sauce to pour over your monkey bread. Right? You're going to need a whisk to mix it all together. And I have it on low heat right now. Alright, our sauce is all done, and this is how it should look. Now we're going to turn off the stove, and you're going to come over to your pan. Be very careful, because it's very hot. And you're going to pour it all over the bread. just like that. Once you do that, you might want to shake it a bit so you can get it all over to the bread at the bottom too. So everything can have it. Just like that. And I'm going to get it into the oven for around whatever your biscuit dough instructions say to cook it at the temperature. And then, okay, so this one calls for 375 for about 15 minutes. But follow your instructions and watch it to make sure it's not cooking too slow or too fast at the temperature. So here I have one that I made earlier. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna try it now. I'm excited. So you can just take a piece off. So good. Again, you're stealing more food. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video and you learned something today. Bye!